In order for an equation to be written in function form, it needs to be solved for y. So it needs to look like y equals something. If we take a look at this one here, 2x minus 3y equals 3. It is not in function form because it is not solved for y. So the first thing we need to do is to get rid of this 2x, and what we're going to do is we're going to do that by bringing it over to the right side. In order to get rid of 2x, a positive 2x, we have to subtract 2x, and we have to do the same to the right-hand side of the equation, because what you do to one side of an equation, you must always do to the other side. So that cancels out this on the left side, and we're left with negative 3y equals, now we could write either of these terms first, but in algebra you always want to write the term that has the x in it first. So I'm going to write negative 2x, and since this is a positive 3, we write plus 3. We still do not have this in function form because we haven't solved for y. We need to get rid of the negative 3. So to do that, to undo multiplying by negative 3, we want to divide this by negative 3. Those will cancel out and we'll be left with y. That's our goal, to put it in function form. But again, if we divided the left side by negative 3, we have to divide the right side by negative 3. What this means is we're going to take each term on the right side and divide it by negative 3, starting with negative 2x divided by negative 3. You divide the numbers. Negative 2 divided by negative 3. Negative divided by negative is positive. And we can just leave this as a fraction 2/3, and we still have an x. The second part, positive 3 divided by negative 3. Positive divided by negative is negative. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So in function form, this equation looks like this. Y equals 2/3 x minus 1. We did not change the value of the equation, we just changed what it looks like.